Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the future as we learn how to organize your bookmarks in Notion, your 2025 guide. Our first step is to create a new page in your workspace. Simply click the plus new page button on the left sidebar. This step is important as it sets the foundation of your bookmark organization. You can name this page something like My Bookmarks to make it easy to locate. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step. Click on the body of your new page and choose the Toggle List block from the block menu. We do this because the Toggle List feature allows you to create collapsible headings, perfect for categorizing your bookmarks. Once you've created your toggle list, the next step is adding categories. Click on the Toggle List block and type in your category name. You might want to categorize your bookmarks by topics such as work, personal, research, or read later. This helps us because it makes our bookmarks easier to navigate. Next up, let's add the actual bookmarks. Inside each category, click on the plus Add a Subpage button. This is where you'll paste the URL of your bookmark. The reason we do this is that by adding bookmarks as subpages, we can further organize them with tags, comments, and even assign them to different team members if you're using Notion collaboratively. Lastly, click on the title of your subpage and paste the URL. Then, click on the body of the subpage and add any notes or tags. This step is crucial because it allows you to add context to your bookmarks, making it easier to remember why you saved them in the first place. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively organize your bookmarks in Notion. This will not only save you time, but also make your browsing experience more efficient. Remember, the key to bookmark organization is consistency. Keep adding and categorizing your bookmarks as you surf the web. Before you know it, you'll have a well-organized library of resources right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us today on this journey into the future of bookmark organization. Until next time, happy notioning.